All right, welcome to today's notes 609, finding the original price. So let's get started on that. So right here, if you look at the first example they have here, they show how you can solve it using equations. I'm going to use proportions, so either way will work, but they show you got to make sure you take that percent minus the discount. So make sure you use that. Okay, so the original price of those cleats are $55. So 40% off should take it down to 33. All right, so let's look at this right here. So the discount for this Jurassic World 5 movie collection is 62% off on Black Friday. It is on sale for $22.99. What is the original price of the collection? So what I like to do is I like to use this proportion right here. So you got to do 100% minus the discount. So the percent. And then the, let's see, sale price is going to be over the original. So that proportion right here will work for these problems. So I'm going to go line equals line 100. And then the percent, we're going to do 100% minus 62%. So 100 minus 62 is 38%. So that's going to go over the 100. And then the $22.99, that's the sale price. So it's going to go on top. $22.99. So 22.99. And we are looking for the original price, which is the whole, the W. So now we do our cross products. So we're going to get 38W equals 2299. And then you divide by 38. So 2299 divided by 38. That equals $60.50. 0.5, don't forget to add the zero, money, 2 decimal places. So that would be the cost of the set. All right, so let's go ahead to the next one. So we're going to see let's see. So the discount for this video game is 30% off. It's on sale for 49. So what was the original price? Because maybe you'll tell your mom, hey, the game costs this much. Can I get it? And then they'll give you that money and you get to keep the sale, the discount. So again, I like to use the ratio sale price over original equals 100 minus the percent over 100. Okay, so the discount. So we're going to go ahead. Line equals line 100. Now 30% off. So we're going to go 100 minus 30% because it's 30% off. So you're going to put a 70 over the 100 because you're paying 70% of the cost. The $49, that is the sale price, so it goes on top. So we're going to look for that W. So if we do our cross products, 70 times W is 70W. 49 times 100 is 4900. So if you take your calculator and go 4900 divided by 70, that means the cost was $70. So the original price, those video games are expensive. All right, let's try this one. So I guess some of the girls wanted to go get some boots and they look pretty expensive. They got them from Buckle. That's an expensive store at the mall. So the cost is $360 before a 30% discount. So we want to find out how much are they going to pay. So we still use the same proportion. So we take the 100 minus the 30%. So they're going to pay 70% of the price. Now this time the 360, that's the original cost. So that actually goes on the bottom. And we're going to look for the sale price. So if we do our cross products, we're going to go 360 times 70. That gives us 25,200. And then 100. And we'll use, what do we use? A for part. So then we divide by 100, and let's see how much those boots. So those boots are still going to cost $252. That's crazy. But hey, Maylin wanted those boots, so I guess Maylin's going to get those boots. She saved her money up, $252. All right, let's look at the next page. Ah, the PS5. So the PS5 costs $350 after a 30% discount. So we're looking for the original price. So this time, the original price, that's going to be on the bottom. The sale price is the $350. And the discount, 30%, 100 minus 30, that gives me 70. So now we can find the original price. We get 70W equals 35000. That's doing our cross products. So I take that divided by 70. Wow. The PS5 before the sale was $500. So pretty expensive. That must be why I don't have a PS5. All right. Apple Watch. So on this one right here, the discount of an Apple Watch, 60% off on Black Friday. That's why I do all my shopping on Black Friday. It is on sale for $203.60. What was the original price of that watch? So, line equals line 100. So 100 minus 60, that gives me 40. This right here, that's the sale price, so that goes on top. So 203.60. So we're looking for the original price. So if we do our cross products, we get 40W equals 20360. Then if we divide by 40, so let me do that on a calculator, we end up with $509. So $509. So pretty expensive, but at least you got it on sale. So 203 is a lot better than 509. Then somebody could take that and sell it for more, right? Alright. Alright, so Aiden wanted to get these cool jeans. Alright, so he wanted to get these super punk skinny jeans, and he went to Buckle also. But he had a 65% off coupon. So he decided to use that, and he got those jeans for $90.65. So let's figure out what the original price of those jeans were before he used the coupon. So if 100 minus 65, that ends up being, so he's only paying basically 35%. So that's a pretty good coupon. So now the $90.65, that's the sale price, which goes on top. And then down on the bottom, that's what we're looking for. So if we do our cross products, we get 35W equals 9065. So we divide that by 35. So those jeans, before they were on sale, would have cost him $259. So he got him for 90 bucks. So that's pretty good. He could turn around and sell those if he wanted for maybe 200 bucks. And somebody be like, hey, at least I'm saving 59 bucks. And then he can make over 100 bucks profit. All right. That is it for today. So make sure you can figure out this formula right here. Sale price over original price equals 100% minus the discount over 100. I would use that one. All right. Have a good day.